Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to juggle 3 balls. I'm sure many of you can juggle better than this, but this is just for those beginners out there who want to learn the basics on how to juggle 3 balls. Good luck! Start with 1 ball, getting comfortable catching with both hands. Most of us are good at catching with their dominant hand, but we need to work on our weaker hand. Throw the ball with control so it doesn't go all over the place. Try to throw the ball at an even height and throw it a little over the opposite side. So if you're throwing with your left hand, your ball should end up high up over your right shoulder. And then when you're throwing with your right hand, the ball should be up over your left shoulder. Once you're comfortable with that, move on to the next step. Now it's time to add another ball. You're gonna throw the first ball, and when the ball is at its peak and on its way down, you're gonna throw the second ball over. This is crucial to juggling with 3 balls, so make sure you have the timing right. The ball should be at the same height if possible. Keep practicing this step until you feel like you've mastered it. Okay, let's pick up the third ball. So you'll start with 1 ball in one hand and 2 balls in the other. I hold 2 balls with my dominant hand. 1 ball is in the palm and the other is up at the top with my fingers holding it in place. Look straight ahead. You don't want to be looking down at your hands. So toss the first 2 balls as you did in the last step, but toss the third ball after you toss the second ball. So now you'll be throwing 3 times, right, left, or left, right, left. When you get comfortable doing 3 throws, then add 1 more throw, then another, and see how many you could do. This will take a lot of practice. It's a hard skill at first, so don't get frustrated. You will drop the ball many times. Just keep practicing, and I know you'll master this. If you're feeling frustrated, stop and take a break, or it won't be fun to learn. You can also get back to step 1 or 2 to really master those steps before continuing. Once you've got it down, try walking around while juggling, and remember to have fun. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was a good tutorial for you. Please like this video and share it with your friends to see if they could do it too. And please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much and happy juggling!